Hello from Jordan Fountain Commercials. Here we have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316. So this is a PTO generated compressor van with an OBP or onboard power system. So direct from lease with just under 73,000 miles. Obviously being the 316, it is 160 or 161 brake horsepower. A full length reflective stripe, front and rear flashing beacon, rear chevron, got the reverse camera. Obviously there's your air and there's your 110 volt power. Obviously tow bar with electrics. Got a statement lock on the back and deadlocks on the side and the passenger and driver's door, so extra security. The fan also comes with aircon, which is quite rare in a Sprinter. I'll show you the setup inside. So plastic lined rear, non-slip flooring. You've got your work lamps, two at the rear, one on the side door, metal racking, LED lighting. I'll just show you the electric and the air now. So to engage, pull this lever up. You can hear the engine engage a little bit down into fourth. Slowly off the clutch. You do need to make sure the engine is warm before you do this. So that's confirmed we've got all your 110 volt power. Obviously these are your outlets for the air. So back into the cab, 3 full-size seats. Got your aircon. Apple CarPlay, so got all your apps that connect to your phone. That's wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Reverse camera. All your steering wheel controls, including your cruise control. Auto lights. Keyless stop start. If you need any more information, give us a shout.